is a cow. The cow says moo. Dog. This is a dog. The dog says woof. Cat. This is a cat. The cat says meow. Horse. This is a horse. The horse says neigh. Chicken. This is a chicken. The chicken says cluck, cluck. Duck. This is a duck. The duck says quack. Sheep. This is a sheep. The sheep says rabbit. This is a rabbit. What animal says great? The cow says moo. What animal says meow? Good job. The cat says meow. Where's the cat? Excellent. You found it. Who says woof? Well done. The dog says woof. Where's the dog? Great. One sunny morning, the cow was eating grass in the field. Said the cow. The dog ran to the cow. Let's play, said the dog. Let's find our friends. They walked to the stable and saw the horse. Said the horse. Come with us, said the dog. The three friends walked to the barn. There, they saw the cat. Said the cat. What are you doing? Asked the cat. We are finding our friends, said the cow. Next, they went to the pond. The duck was swimming. Said the duck. The chicken was near the pond. Said the chicken. Finally, they went to the meadow. The sheep was eating grass. Said the sheep. Near the tree, they saw the rabbit. The rabbit was hopping. Come and play with us, said the dog. All the animals played together. It was a happy day on the farm.
А еще больше уроков по арабскому и английскому языку вы найдете в описании под видео. Переходите и занимайтесь по методике Фаида.